What's up, you guys? I am going to be showing you my skincare routine using the Acne bundle with OrganiGrowSkinCo. I'm excited to try this out today. We got some great products. We got a facial wash, a toner, a mud mask. I love my face mask, an exfoliator, and also a cream, moisturizing cream. So let's get started. I'm gonna shake this up first. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna start out washing my hands. That is the first thing you should do before touching your face. Okay, I'm starting out with the Ultra Hydro Balancing Facial Cleanser. I'm just going to take a couple squirts. Okay, so I have a little bit in my hands. I'm just going to dip in my face. Get my hands a little bit wet. And start to cleanse. One of the main ingredients in this cleanser is sea bug thornberry. It helps slow down aging, it promotes skin hydration, elasticity, and skin regeneration, and it treats and prevents acne. So next I will be using the Luminous Exfoliant Scrub. Be great for getting rid of the dead skin, and lemon also helps with brightening the skin if you have dark marks or hyperpigmentation and things like that. So I'm just taking a little bit on my fingertips and just going in circular motions, not forgetting my neck. The lemon in this scrub helps to exfoliate and brighten the skin at the same time. Lemon is also good for a whole bunch of things, even around your house with just cleaning. It also cleanses, so it's cleaning and exfoliating at the same time. It's important that when you rinse that your water is not too hot. That actually, when the water is too hot, can burn the skin and cause even more, or cause damage. And you don't want the water too cold. Usually I do cold water when I'm like right before I put on my moisturizer. But the water needs to be lukewarm. Cleansed and exfoliated. I'm about to go in with the Moringa Mud Mask. I absolutely love this mud mask. Usually mud mask will dry my skin out, but the minerals in the Moringa help with regenerating the skin, and the avocado oil makes sure your skin does not dry out. Like most clay masks, it is just straight up clay. This clay mask is mixed with oils that will help hydrate your skin just as much as detoxing your skin. So that mask was great. I honestly had a pimple right here that's been like dormant and it would not come to surface, but right after that mask, and I only had it on for about 15 minutes, the pimple is at the surface. I'm excited. I'm happy that that clearly works and draws out all the impurities after one use. Okay, so next I'm going to use the Ultra Hydrating Facial Toner. In this toner, it has white willow bark, which is contained with salicylic acid, which is powerful exfoliant. So not only is it hydrating your skin, but it's also exfoliating and keeping the dead skin away. Then I'm going in with the Ultra Hydro Lightweight Facial Cream to seal in that moisture. I'm only gonna take a little bit. Go here, 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 chin, and my neck. The facial cream contains rosehip seed oil, which is full of essential fatty acids, so that helps with reducing scarring and fine lines and wrinkles. And we are good to go. My skin feels so good right now. It feels so good. It feels really light, it feels really hydrated and clean. Cool. Acne bundle from OrganiGrowSkinCo. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I just feel so good right now. I can't stop smiling. I love my skin. Thanks guys for tuning in.